CCAT questions like this are common because they test pattern recognition under time pressure. Most people look at the answer choices too early and start guessing. Strong test takers study the completed examples first and search for the rule. Try that here. Ignore A, B, C, and D for a moment and find the pattern inside the triangle.
Take a close look at these beautiful shapes. First shape has numbers 3, 2, and 1 on the outside, numbers 1, 2, and 3 on the inside, and number 12 in the middle. Second shape has numbers 2, 3, and 4 on the outside, numbers 4, 3, and 2 on the inside, and number 18 in the middle. The third shape has numbers 3, 2, and 3 on the outside, numbers 1, 1, and 2 on the inside, and a missing number in the middle, which you need to calculate and select your answer out of 4 possible choices: A, 12, B, 14, C, 18, or D, 24. Can you try to solve it on your own and choose the right answer? The pattern here is simple, but it's hidden in plain sight for most people. But I'm pretty sure you are not one of them though. Take a close look at the first shape. The value in the center is calculated by summing every number inside and outside the shape. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6 plus 6 and equals 12. If we look at the second shape, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals 9 plus 9 and equals 18. And now it's the magic moment to calculate the missing number. Take a close look at the third shape. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 8 plus 4 and equals 12. And the correct answer here is choice A, 12.
If you got it right, the bigger win is understanding the strategy. On the CCAT, speed comes from recognizing the rule, not from guessing faster. For questions like this, compare the solved examples first, and then apply the same pattern to the missing one. Watch another CCAT-style question next, and keep training your pattern recognition.